Ever wondered if there's a healthier way to prepare peanuts instead of frying them? Well, today we're exploring just that. Welcome to a tantalizing journey of flavors and health. Imagine a bowl of peanuts. They're raw, unseasoned, and waiting to be transformed. First, we're going to sort through them. Quality matters, so discard the ones that don't look quite right. Now let's move on to the next step. Instead of dousing them in oil, arrange them neatly on a baking tray. Sprinkle your preferred spices. A combination of salt, smoked paprika, and a smidgen of sugar creates a delightful balance of sweet and savory. The critical part of this process is slow roasting. Preheat your oven to a low temperature and let the magic unfold. This method not only enhances the flavor but also ensures a perfect crunch in every bite. As the peanuts slowly turn golden, it's time to talk about why this method is a game changer. Roasting at a low temperature helps retain the natural oils and nutrients in the peanuts, offering a healthier alternative to frying. And the best part? The robust flavor is all natural, no excessive oil needed. Once the peanuts have reached the perfect shade of golden brown, remove them from the oven. Allow them to cool before digging in. Store these crunchy delights in an airtight container to keep them fresh. So, there you have it. A healthier, tastier way to prepare peanuts. This method is not just about enjoying peanuts, but enjoying them in a way that does justice to their natural flavor and nutritional value, without the added guilt of excessive oil. Remember, good health is all about making smart choices, and every little change counts. Until next time, enjoy your peanuts, and keep exploring healthier alternatives.